Request Venkatesh sir to speak about the money program, because today we are also inaugurating the money program workshop.
ಮನಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಡ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಯಾರು ಕೈಯು ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಎತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗದು? ಮನಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮನಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್? ಎನಿವನ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್? ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್? ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Peace of mind.
Peace of mind. Next. See, raise the hand. What do you want? You want to home? Sir, you can leave, sir. We will go to home. Okay? Raise the hand.
Sir, healthy life.
Right. Okay? All the thing available in money program. See, money program, no? This lockdown, no? Disturbs a lot. What our Rishi Muni's secrets related to abundance. Money is equal to, for me, not hardly cash money. Money is equal to money, good health, wealth, prosperity, peace of mind. Okay? Everything. In this program, no, everything it includes. What is not possible for me to give to Karasiddhi Kriya Yoga, that one advanced level I am giving to you. This money program foundation begins with conversation with Hari Prasad sir. Okay, so 2 years back he came to Indiranagar branch. We want some reserve money to our yoga center. Difficult days we faced at the time of lockdown time. That difficulty we never faced in our life. Then what I want to give? So people's what they want, that is the money program. It brings abundance to you. More I won't explain more. Don't waste my your time. Okay, money program is equal to what you want is available to you. Okay, so volunteers kindly distribute pamphlets before they go into them. Okay, so my suggestion to you, weekly 1 hour I will take the classes to you. Please, all of you can come to that program. Okay, so one more announcement, who are all coming, please have lunch, collect the t-shirts and collect some books freely we are giving to you. Collect and go.